Hi, my name is Josephine Krasnodenska, and I represent Seven Bulls Company, partner of the Morphemic project. Today, I will interview Icon, use case partner of the Morphemic project as well. You will learn who Icon are, what the use case is about, and how it has evolved since our last interview in October 2020. Moreover, how Icon will continue to grow. So thank you and enjoy the interview. Good morning. Please introduce yourself and your organization.
My name is Jack Pepper. I'm Chief Technology Officer of ICON. We are computational fluid dynamics experts and engineering partners with a global presence built over the last 30 years. Our technology is used in the context of simulation-driven product engineering in a variety of fields including the building, aerospace, and automotive industries. We take pride in offering on-premise and cloud-based CFD products, as well as expert engineering services that are better, faster, cheaper, and easier to use than the big software conglomerates.
Please tell us about your use case and actually how it evolved from our last meeting, so from October 2020.
In Morphemic, our use case builds around one of our key offerings, our cloud-based simulation platform. Icon provides a state-of-the-art browser-based simulation environment in which the end user can upload their product design, setup, and launch their simulation using application-specific simplified workflows and visualize the results in an interactive and intuitive manner. We were tired of seeing engineers repeat tasks, copy-pasting data into third-party tools to present it in the way they needed for all stakeholders involved in product design. Icon Platform is our solution to this problem by providing a collaborative environment in which data and simulation best practices can be easily shared and presented, and where various designs can easily be compared in a very practical and intuitive way. Now, CFD simulation requirements can vary a lot depending on the type of product and industry we are looking at. A simple piping system may be computed on a small laptop, whereas a fully detailed road vehicle may require up to thousands of high-performance computing cores with high-speed interconnect depending on how accurate and quickly the results needs to be obtained. Within Morphemic, we are exploring mechanisms by which we can effectively balance the service level agreements established for each customer and simulation type with the hardware requirements and costs. Previously, we had reached a status by which Morphemic allowed us to extremely simplify the deployment of the simulation software to new workers provided by either publicly available clouds such as AWS or Azure or private clouds. Recently, we have been working on dynamically adapting the number of simulation workers available depending on the simulation demand load. Dynamic allocation and deallocation of workers in a cloud-agnostic way is already a big step forward.
What are the next steps of upgrading your use case?
Up to recently, Morphemic was limited to providing workers without taking into account the HPC requirements of nodes being connected with high-speed interconnect such as InfiniBand. Now that HPC clusters are supported in Morphemic, our next step is going to be to try and leverage polymorphic aspects by deploying workers seamlessly on an available OpenStacked HPC cluster. Our goal is to dynamically switch simulation loads from single hardware container or VMs to HPC clusters based on immediate and forecasted requirements.
How your use case benefits from the Morphemic project?
Icon Platform benefits from Morphemic by reducing cost and therefore pricing to the end users, whilst maintaining stringent SLAs, which can have an immediate impact on the iterative speed of the design cycles. The reduction of cost is achieved through optimal hardware use, leveraging forecasted requirements, polymorphic adaptation, and reduced IT administration since the simulation software is seamlessly deployed on any infrastructure available. The Morphemic software is becoming an essential component in our creation of an intuitive digital engineering metaverse, providing engineers and designers and other stakeholders an environment in which they can collaborate seamlessly. Leveraging simulation effectively in the product design cycle without worrying about hardware and licenses. Finally, Our goal is that the evaluation of a new design will be so simple that from any place in the world and at any time, ideas can be tested by novice designers or application experts, fostering a culture of creativity with no barriers to entry. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.